Ublalotak, Kanwit Pisi. Today is Wednesday, what day? All day today, let's be responsible. Always try to do our best, cooperate with others, and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. It's time to look at some amazing artwork that you all have been working on. All the artwork that we just saw looked amazing. I am so proud of everyone who's putting hard work, who's not giving up, and who's trying their best. I am so proud of all of you. From our ABC countdown calendar, we are on day X. That means it's extra time day. You get 5 extra minutes of class activity today. Enjoy that extra time. I hope you all have a fun, fabulous, and amazing day today.